She was living on couches that belonged to her friends. She would sleep with her feet in her shins hanging over the ends, looking over her shoulder, never knowing herself.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have for you this simple, easy, but not that simple makeup look, if that makes sense. I did a wing liner and I didn't do a wing liner in a while now, and it was a struggle. So they're not equal, they're not perfect, but it's okay because I'm not perfect either. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but on my bottom lash, this Bella eyeshadow is not black. I mean, when I'm looking in my mirror, this looks more like a green black, dark green black. That makes sense. And it was super weird, and I had to apply this LOC eyeshadow stick, and this was super creamy and very pigmented, so I applied a little bit too much, but yeah. So this makeup look is not my favorite, but it's still cute, right? Anyway, so if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep watching. So, are you guys surprised because I'm using my Cali Bybel palette again? No? Okay, neither am I. So first I'm starting with this warm brown, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Then I'm going with this light purple, and I'm going to apply that in my crease also, and I'm going to build a little bit that color. Then I'm going to blend everything out with the same brush that I applied the first color, and to highlight my brow bone I'm using this champagne pinkish eyeshadow. And then I'm going to do a wing liner, and I haven't done a wing liner in a very long time, and I'm using my Essence waterproof eyeliner, and this is very sharp. You can achieve a very sharp wing liner, but it's kind of shiny and I'm not very happy with that. So I don't know how much waterproof this is, because when I removed my makeup this came out very easy, so yeah. On my bottom lash, I'm going to smudge a little bit of this Pierre eyeshadow, and this wasn't as black as I wanted to be. So next I'm grabbing my LOC cream eyeshadow stick, and this was super creamy and very pigmented, and I applied a little bit too much, and I had a hard time blending that out. And here I'm connecting that eyeshadow with my wing liner because I wanted to look more put together, kinda. Then I'm going again with this warm brown, and I'm going to smudge that and blend everything down there. And off camera I applied a little bit of this jelly Pong. This is a nude eyeliner, and I apply that on my waterline. And for my lips I'm using this Avon lip liner. And for my lipstick I'm using this BH Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Alice, and I really love this combo. And to highlight my face I'm using again BH Cosmetics highlight, and I'm mixing these two shades. And don't forget to highlight your nose and your stash. And I'm not gonna set my entire face with fixing spray because I don't want to mess with my wing liner. I'm just gonna wet a little bit my sponge, and I'm going to set my highlight. And that's it. This makeup look is complete. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.